Dear Principal Sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I'm Aniket Tripathi, a student of Class 9 Section B, going to speak some few words on this auspicious occasion of 77th Republic Day. Friends, today we have gathered here for the celebration of Republic Day, a day that fills every Indian's heart with pride and patriotism. On this day, 26 January in 1950, India adopted the Constitution which was made on 26 November 1949 and became a sovereign democratic republic. This historic day reflects the ideals of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity which form the foundation of our nation, India. Our constitution, which is the longest constitution in the world, is not just a legal document, it is the soul of our Indian democracy, which is the oldest democracy in the world. Indian constitution guarantees fundamental rights to every citizen and ensures that there is no one above the law. This day also reflects that our constitution came after a long and historic struggle by countless great leaders and fighters who dreamt of a strong, prosperous and independent India. Republic Day is also a reminder of our duties as citizens. Along with the rights came the responsibilities, respecting constitution, maintaining unity in diversity, protecting national property and identities, etc. Republic Day is also a reminder that the future of India lies in its youth, and it is also their responsibility to uphold the values enshrined in our constitution. As India is moving towards success and growth in education, science and innovation, let us pledge to make India a strong and inclusive nation. Let us also pledge to uphold the values enshrined in our Indian Constitution. So, at last, I want to salute our nation, our Constitution, and all those Indians who fight to make India better every day. At last, but not the least, the Constitution is not just mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is the spirit of the age. It was said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is the father of our Indian Constitution. So, with this, I end my speech. Thank you.